Hi friends! Today we're going to be doing a makeup look that will fit a basic black wig from Walmart. I've already started with my wig cap. It's on. I have long hair. It's terrible. And so now we're just priming the eyes. I use the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation stick in, I believe, the shade Ivory. You know, it's a really good eyeshadow primer, and I use it just for that. Now we're going in with the NYC Individual Eyes palette, and I'm taking the lighter color, and I'm stamping that on my eyelid as a base to, as it's a base color. You put that down before you put the other colors on. Next, I'm taking the brown color, and I'm stamping that into my outer corner and my crease, and then I just blend it to the gods. It took a long time, but you just gotta sit there and you gotta keep blending, and then you just can't give up. You can't give up. And so then whatever I do to my one eye, I do to the other, and so on and so forth. Next, I'm going in with the darker color, and I'm just putting that lightly in the outer corner and the crease just to add a bit more dimension to the eyes. Now I'm taking the gold color and I'm stamping that on the eyelid just as a nice little eyelid color, and so that it doesn't look bad. So now I'm taking the lighter color and I'm putting that in the inner corner of my eyes to make the inner corners of your eye pop. It also gives the illusion of a wider, more open eye, which is, in my opinion, so pretty. So I'm just, you can never have enough of that highlight in the inner corner. And then I'm taking that same shade and I'm putting it on my highlight points, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my cheekbones. And so then this color, it is a cream color, so be aware of that. Now I'm going in with my Ardell Brow Mascara. It's a mascara that's lightweight, You're adding in brow hairs without actually drawing in brow hairs. It's a much more realistic way of filling in your brows, in my opinion, because you're not making them look like Sharpie brows. That's a disaster. So then I'm just adding in little tails because mine are invisible, and that's the only drawing of hairs that I'll be doing. Now I'm going in with a powdered highlighter. This is the baked highlighter from Hard Candy, and I'm just going back over my highlight points, my nose, cupid's bow, and my cheeks to set that cream contour that we powder highlight that we set earlier. Now I'm going in with these CoverGirl makeup lipstick that you can't see what I'm doing, of course. So it's a classic red. We're just putting that on the lips. Now we're taking an NYC eyeliner. This is probably one of my favorite eyeliners ever. And we're just applying that to the eyes. And it's a lot of concentration. It's a lot of hard work, You got to make it even, and it's hard. And we're just doing little baby wings today just to, we're going for like classic 1950s look here. So we gotta do little baby motions and stuff. Now I'm going in with my Loreal Voluminous Butterfly Mascara. It's my favorite mascara of all time. It smells a little weird, but it gets the job done. I don't know why it smells weird. They all do. It's weird though, but it's my favorite because it lifts the lashes and it coats them in a really dark black. Next, I'm going in with the Kiss Natural Lash in Essence, and we're gonna struggle with putting the lashes on for a little bit because I always struggle with putting on fake lashes. Now, this step is optional. I personally think that the look looks better with fake lashes, but if you have nice natural long lashes, it works just as well. Now we're gonna take a coffee break, as you do at 1 a.m. We're just gonna struggle with the other eye again because I always struggle with fake lashes. And next we're going to apply the wig. This is the black wig bob thing from the Halloween section at Walmart. Only cost me $5, and it was it was a little weird, but you flat ironed it a little bit and then it looked good.